This is a tutorial on how to record your voice on an Android phone. So Android phones don't come with a voice recorder app already on them, so you're going to need to download one from the Play Store. So you can scroll over on your home screen until you find the Play Store app. If you don't see it anywhere on your home page, you can use the search bar and type in Play. And it should come up in the suggested down here. You can go ahead and select it that way. So once you're in the Play Store, you can use the search bar, type in voice memo. And the fourth one down here is the one that I downloaded. You can choose to play around with some of the different ones here. But if you want to follow this tutorial more closely, I would recommend choosing the same one I have here. Not to be confused with these other ones down here that have a similar icon. This one is voice recorder, quality app, recorder, weather, music. So select that. I have already installed it here. That's why it says uninstall or open. But I would go ahead and hit install. And then on your home page, it should appear. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open it. And it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And once you're here, it's fairly intuitive. You just go ahead and hit that red button when you're ready to record your voice. You're listening to KBOO Portland. And there we go. You can go ahead and select the date there to change the name to something you'll remember. So I'm going to change it to Legal ID. Hit OK. And it saves it there. So there are two ways to access all your saved audio. If you hit that blue play button, it'll take you to your most recent audio and it'll play it back for you. To KBOO Portland. And from here, you can hit the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner. And it gives you some options to share it. I'm going to use Gmail, but there is alternative email apps, whatever one you have set up. And you would send it to yourself and put something in the subject line so you'll be able to remember what it is later. And you can go ahead and hit that send button. Another way to access your previous recordings is the lower left-hand corner. There's a little headphones icon. If you select that, it'll show you all your previous recordings. So to send one of these, you can go ahead and hit the three dots there. And we're going to hit the share button, and it'll bring us back to this page. So you can go ahead and do it through email. But if you ever record a really lengthy piece of audio, you might need to send it through the drive if the file size is too big. So I'm going to select Save to Drive. And it'll ask me to name it, but it already named it something I'll be able to recognize it by. And you can decide what folder you want to put it in, but I'm fine with where it is. So I'm going to hit Save. And now it is in my drive. So I can now get on my computer and access it through my drive and drop it into Audacity or whatever project I'm working on. So that is how you record your voice using an Android phone on the voice recorder app.